Millions of drivers are expected to hit the road this summer as pandemic restrictions ease up. That can be a boost to roadside attractions, like one just off Old Route 66 that's taking full advantage of drivers being back on the roads. Back on the road again.
Yeah, we went over to Branson, Missouri, and on our way back now, so.
Americans are ready to travel after fighting the pandemic for more than a year.
Seen the sign, heard the story, had to come check it out.
And if you're on the road in central Missouri, there's one stop you won't want to miss.
Welcome to Uranus!
A little fudge shop just off Old Route 66.
They could go explore the deep part of Uranus. They could go pull some souvenirs from Uranus. You can get Uranus Farms, which comes straight from Uranus to the table.
We may have been drinking a little bit that evening this all happened, and there's a town called Devil's Elbow, and I was like, someone said, well, this St. Robert's the armpit. And I said, well, if it's the armpit, then this is Uranus. And from that joke just kind of got born.
Would you like me to pack your fudge tightly in a box or loosen the bag today? As you wish.
Louis Keene owns all of the businesses here in Uranus, which is really just a few shops in unincorporated Pulaski County. He's dubbed himself mayor. The story goes back to 2011 when Louis was trying to utilize some of the land he had while developing other businesses.
I want to put in this little Uranus Fudge factory. And we put up a billboard, and we were slammed before we even opened. The first month, I had to make 1,200 pounds of fudge myself.
It started with a dirty joke and some sugar, but Louis knew he had brown gold on his hands.
Started with the fudge factory, and then we went down, we built a little Uranus ice cream parlor. Then we did escape rooms, which is Escape Uranus.
Things did slow down during the pandemic.
Last year, we did close down about 2 months.
But when people started shedding their masks, the customers started flowing back in.
Traffic was down about 30%, but they started spending more money. So we were only down about 15% last year during the open months. And right now we're up 50, 60% versus 2019.
You can tell the store is busy. Every time someone walks through, you hear, and I heard it a lot. People really seem to be having fun.
Good family fun, absolutely.
Where would you say they pack the best fudge?
I'm guessing Uranus, right?
One thing is clear,
Thanks for letting me pack your fudge. Have a wonderful evening.
Louis and his staff don't take anything too seriously.
Just try to make people laugh. That's all we try to do.
In Uranus, Missouri, full of fudge, I'm Bo Evans reporting.